The stainless steel spoon that has been my constant companion for years is one of my most cherished possessions. This trusty utensil has seen me through countless meals, from early morning breakfast to late night snacks. Despite its humble nature, this spoon has served me well and become an essential part of my daily routine. Over the years, I've used this spoon for a variety of foods. It has scooped up everything from cream soups to hearty stews and has helped me indulge in my favorite guilty pleasures like ice cream and pudding. The spoon has also been my tool of choice for stirring my morning tea. As a professor of English, I have found myself reaching for this spoon during moments of deep thought. Its smooth, polished surface provides a pleasing texture to fiddle with. I have found myself absent-mindedly stirring it in circles with pondering the complexities of language and linguistics. But this spoon is more than just a tool for nourishment and contemplation. It has become a philosophical and humorous symbol in my life. Its sleek and simple design reminds me that beauty can be found in the most ordinary of things, that even the most seemingly insignificant objects can hold great value. And in those moments when I find myself taking life too seriously, I can't help but smile at the thoughts of this unassuming spoon, always there to provide a moment of levity. I use it when I teach English in my classroom. Though it is a simple object, this spoon has held an important place in my life, and I'm grateful for its constant companionship. This stainless steel spoon has lived with me for many years and has become an integral part of my daily routine. It has even become a symbol of my intellectual life. With its simplicity yet durable design, this spoon has stood the test of time, a testament to the enduring value of even the most ordinary objects. Thank you very much.